Alright, people, today the video is going to be pretty short and sweet. I'm going to show you two ways to set up Google credentials. So, without wasting any time, let's go ahead. First, let's add a Gmail node. Actually, any node, any Google node. Let's add Sheets. Alright, you gotta go to console.cloud.google.com. And I will be showing you guys how to create a new project. Of course, I already have two projects, but let's do it. All right. You go there, you click on new project, and then you follow me. All right. So what do we name it? YouTube trial n8n. Perfect. All right. Project has been created. Select project. There we go. Now, guys, we are going to go to APIs and services, library. Oh God, more internet connection. Come on. Yeah, there we go. This is the library. Now, since we are going to be setting up the API for Gmail first, let's enable the API for Gmail. There we go, Gmail. Click on it. Just ignore this one. I'll verify it later on. We enable it. Cool. We got it now. And then, firstly, we are going to set up with the method of OAuth authentication. We go to credentials. You see this one, the two ways, service accounts and OAuth. First, we are going to go to OAuth, but before that, we'll have to configure the consent screen. Let's do that first. Click there. You go to audience. Okay, you create the app. Now let's name the app. It's YouTube trial n8n. That's the name of app. User support email or hansain@gmail.com. By the way, if you want to talk about n8n automation or any of that, feel free to email me, you can talk to me. See, I'm such a nice guy. I'm sending you my email, my personal email to talk to me. Wait. What's wrong here? Okay. External contact information. Again, continue, create. Now we have to create a client, our test user. Application type, web application. Name web client 1, authorized, redirect URLs. Now we are going to paste that from here. Copy, paste, create. So easy. So easy. Won't be able to download the client secret once you close this tab. Make sure that you have copied. Oh God, I'll have to blur all of it. Anyway, now listen to me. You're gonna have this thing in front of you. You have to copy the client ID and client secret and then put it here. Just copy and paste, bro. Client ID, copy. Client secret, here. Just save it. Sign in with Google. n8n@gmail.com. Access blocked. Oh, I think we haven't done one thing. You know what that is? Let me first download the JSON. We'll open it later on. We have to add a test user that we haven't added yet. So let's do it. Test user audience. Perfect. n8n@gmail.com. Save. Now, since we have already added the test user, let's check it if it's working. It should work now. Let's see. Continue. Select all. Ta-da! So that was the first way, right? Through OAuth authentication. Now we should try out the service account. Now, let me tell you that when the first time I came across this service account thing, it did eat my head. And it was pretty confusing for me, honestly, but I figured it out. So let me share it with you. Now, since we have done that, let's move on to the second way of connecting Google credentials. Google Sheets over there. Enable. Again, we go to credentials over there. Now we click on manage service accounts. We go there. Create service account. All right, let's name our service account YouTube trial n8n service account. It's a long one. It doesn't have to be that long. We can leave the description, create, and continue. It's optional. You can leave it. It's optional again. You can leave it. Done. Create it. So easy, right? Now, what we must do is go inside it. This is the email that we have to put in. Create a new credential. Service account. Now, there are a few things. This is default. The region, you can leave it as it is. Here's the email. You copy it. You paste it. And this is the private key. Things are a little bit tricky. Not a lot, actually, but you can do it. Let me just show you how you can do it. We go to keys, we add a key, create a new key, we keep it as JSON. Done. Now we open it. By the way, you can open it in any editor. You can open it in Notepad, Notes, wherever you want. It doesn't matter. So this is the private key that we have to copy. We select from there to here. We don't select inverted commas. Copy, paste, and save. And by the way, you can actually leave this. This error, it's just to throw you off. It doesn't make sense. It's connected already. Let's go back. Let's create a new sheet to show you it's working. And we are going to name it YouTube trial sheet. God, what's happening? Come on. YouTube trial sheet n8n. Now, what we are going to do is we are going to copy the email address that we were given, which is this one. You copy it, you go there, you share it. Send. So easy. So easy. Okay. Access updated. Now we should be seeing that sheet over here from list. Let's see if we can see it or not. Could not find. Oh, what is wrong? What is wrong? What is wrong? Okay, now we see it. We have to enable Google Drive API first. We forgot. Now let's do that. Let's do that. Let's do that. You see, I love you guys so much that I'm debugging on the way. I'm not just copying and pasting stuff. Okay, Google Drive. Enable. You're welcome. You're welcome. As you can see, we have the sheet available now. There we go, people. There we go. I just showed you how to create service account and how to connect the credentials, Google credentials. And this is the way that most people don't show on YouTube. I'm showing that to you. Subscribe.